Now we have done model, then we have also done a repository. Now we are going to create a new package named DTO. So what is DTO? So DTO stands for data transfer objects. So why it is used? So let's understand it. Now let's see why we require the DTO. So let's see our client app will send a request JSON file request to our backend and say that update profile with this JSON file, and the updating detail is sent to this JSON file. Now we have just taken these references from our front end. But what if someone is using a Postman and he would also send this password field? So what happens is we have restricted it through a front end, but he sends a different JSON from a different application to our backend and says that update the password. Now our system is not able to handle the situation because what we have just write a code, whatever the data is come, update the data in our database. So to restrict this, we are using DTO. Our client app will send one JSON now and update request DTO. So whatever DTO is, our DTO is said that we can restrict in DTO that take only the required field that we want. So for updating the profile, we just want to give facility to update the name and email. So we are declaring in our update request GTO just these two fields, name and email. If these two fields will come, then only our system will work. But if the third entry will come, then it will not accepting anymore. So that is what the DTO is. Let's say actual through the code. You will understand through the code very clear. So first, we are creating a class for register request. Uh, Now we are setting for register request. One thing is we have missed in our user that we have to mention this builder function in our user model also. So actually what the builder is, so we can see why builder we have used later. But for now, let's focus on our register request. So in our system, for registering, the request should contain only this field. Now I am creating more requests. Now I am creating more DTOs. So I have created some requests for login request. For login purpose, we are only using email and password. For login response, we are generating one message that login you have logged successfully or not, and the user. Then in user response, we can say what type of response we can write. We have also created DTO. We have also created model. We have also created repository. Now only two things are remaining, that the main our service layer and then our control layer.